All right, tonight's project, we're gonna put this guy, if you guys know you know, this ignition on the old YZ hot saw in the quest for more horsepurs. So let's see how this goes. And I usually start taking things apart and I get all like ADD and I don't really record all the little bits. I think people kind of find that interesting, so we'll do that as I go. Get this baby bolted on there. Alright, so I went online and I don't know if I'm doing this right. Hopefully I am. There's like an online calculator and it said like, put in the conrod length and did all the math, bore stroke, just stroke conrod length, and came out to 17 degrees, which is equivalent to 2 millimeters, is which we need for the advance for the ignition. So we'll just do that. Hopefully it's right. If I'm wrong, hopefully you guys can comment, set me straight. I appreciate that. Of course, the flywheel slips right through there. Now that's a little bit bigger, so now we gotta cut it out. Ooh. All right. All right, all back in there, ready to go. All set.